Aloha, friends. It's Wednesday. That means we have another Wednesday winner. This week's winner is Tom Mai. Tom, thanks for leaving a comment on Jimmy's channel. We've selected you to win a free digital copy of the Easy Strum Song Collection. Please check the description down below and see how to collect your prize. Congrats.
Hi there, it's Jimmy Dillon, back with some acoustic soul. I wanted to play a little bit, let the cross-pollinate styles, and I love playing the blues on a nylon string. You may have seen this kind of stuff with things like Eric Clapton Unplugged, if you've ever seen that show or heard that record. It lends kind of a different quality to the blues, I think. This is a beautiful Martin nylon string, 6-string. And if you listen, especially not just straight up blues, but stuff that's a little bit hybridized, it has a little songwriter on it. You'll notice that it has a certain tonal quality to it because of the nylon strings. And what I find is that I tend to play a certain way on different guitars. It'll inspire me to play a different way. So I'd encourage you to try, maybe blues or R&B. If you have one handy, a lot of people have nylon string. I call them beach guitars. I've got a few of them where I just take them, throw them in the back of my car and drive to the beach and play. They're great for that, but what it inspires in me is a slightly different style. I'll give you another example of that. I'm going to just play an A minor. That was an E, by the way. It was just a little, you've probably heard that before. I get a lot more into it on jimmydillon.com if you want to check out my lessons. I'll show you how to do that stuff, kind of a one-on-one thing. But if you also take it into more of a little slightly jazzier blue place, like this works so well with the nylon string guitar. It's a very simple chord progression here. It's just A minor to D ninth. We usually think of that D ninth sometimes as a blues chord or a funk chord, but it works really well with a kind of a minor blues thing. Now this particular progression is great to jam over, and I'll show you a little thing you can do on the bottom. See, I picked up the G note there. So if you want to get jammed with some friends, and you can play. So there's a couple examples of playing sort of in a blues feel with a nylon string acoustic, and I'm going to get way deeper into that. So stick around and come back and see us real soon at jimmydillon.com. Peace out.